Yo, what up, guys? Today I need to be quick. Let's remove this shit because it's not part of my trade. Uh, Today I need to be quick because I have to leave home soon, and so yeah, I have to be really quick. So on the day we lost 200 bucks, more or less. Super fucking dumb trade, and it wasn't dumb. It wasn't dumb. It's a good loss in my opinion because the idea was there. The only things, let's say, the only mistake that I did was not taking not using this 15-minute PD and this 15-minute gap and waiting for discount. But I took the first one. This maybe because I wanted to take a trade. Drawn liquidity for me was high conviction. Maybe because stuck up there, we add all those buy side liquidity shit. So I said like, okay. This 1 hour blue line is 1 hour order block being tested and then rejected. Yeah, so let's talk about this trade. Yes. So London Open. Oh no, London. Sorry guys, I'm fried. New York Open right here, right on this fucking 1 minute candle, and what we could say, pretty much nothing. This open was shit, hella shit. In the first place, I was looking to see some sort of retracement inside this 5 minute gap because this was oh no, sorry, not this one. This one inside this 5 minute gap, retrace lower and then push higher, but we didn't hit it. So as soon price stopped a bit, like cool it down a bit, and we left all those like buy side liquidity above. What I did was waiting for the first step inside this 15-minute gap here, because wait, at the same time, shit, here, at the same time we had this 4 hour gap being reversed, so this become an 4 hour IFEG, right? This become a 4 hour IFEG. So I said like, okay, I want to see a retest inside of it and use this 4 hour as like a support, right? So this is what I did. The perfect confluence that was inside this 4 hour gap was this 15-minute low. Low. What the fuck I'm saying, bro? I'm fucking fried, bro. Was this 15-minute gap here? 15M gap, right? And as soon as we tapped in and we manipulate the low inside this gap, which was this one, I waited for like change the state of delivery, maybe this one, and I could have entered more or less here on this retest, but I wasn't sure. So what I did was waiting for the I time frame gap to be inversed. We had this 5 minute gap here that got inversed, and yeah, I was looking to take a break even as soon as we hit this like high was I think let me see 1 minute, no, I was even lower, but it was like a 30-second high, and going break even here, price edge my break even point by, let me see how much, by 3 point, more or less 2.5 points. So yeah, this is really unfortunate. The close was clean. RR was good. Was I think 1.5. So average, my average RR, and then we ended up making this huge 30.1 minute candle. I don't know shit why we did that. And yeah, I was looking to re-enter off of this one because we swept all those liquidity here. We swept this liquidity here. One strong push lower, rejecting off of this 15-minute inside and tapping this 1 minute gap, closing above in true candle, confirming the change in state of delivery. So this should have been my second shot of the day. This one, looking to see. Let me see. Looking to see this those highs, those set of equal highs here, uh, relative equal highs being the drawn for me. And yeah, so nothing on the day for the second shot because I lost like 0.4% of the account. So I want to risk, yeah, but not over trading because it's not my style. So yeah, hope like I'm bad, I know, because I'm taking so fucking long to pass this account, and this is not good. I'm taking this 50k for like practice, and as soon as I blow this one or pass it, I'm gonna shift the mentality, right? I'm gonna shift how to trade this fucking account because I start risking hella. Okay, this wasn't the case. Hella no money on this one. I don't know why past trades are not there. Okay, yeah, now we're talking, right? Now we're talking. Okay, so I realize that I'm being trapped inside this fucking evaluation hole for this from February 5 to February 24th, which was yesterday. I'm being trapped, so I need to speed the shit up. So, as this shit said, yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna trade tomorrow because we had an employment claim at New York AM, and for London maybe I'm not home, so we're gonna see. Okay, thank you so much, guys. Sorry for being so and fucking quick, but I had to leave. But I want to stay accountable and make this video the same. So here I am. Peace, guys.